This is a quick clip of my Samsung NC10 and what I've done to it to dual boot Mac OS and Windows. So this is the bootloader menu. Select Mac OS. As you see, give it a couple of minutes and that will boot quite happily into Mac OS. The only thing I don't have is wireless network connectivity. Otherwise it's perfectly fine for me to develop iPhone apps. And the other operating system I've got installed is Windows 7, which does allow me to have wireless connectivity and everything else, which I use from day to day. And if I want to learn a little bit more about coding for iPhone, and then I use this. The screen's a bit small, but you can hook it up to an external monitor, which is nice and easy. And there we go, into Xcode, and I've got some Hello World apps at the moment. That's about it. So if I quickly shut that down and restart, we can just boot into Windows 7. Restart now. So I've been the first time I used Mac OS, I've been quite impressed with it. Although I'm not overly impressed with the Xcode tools. I think there's better tools out there. Excuse me, that's my baby boy in the background trying to add to the conversation. So here we go, just say same computer, just booting up into Windows. I've configured a FAT32 partition on the hard drive, so I can swap files between the operating systems as well, which is pretty useful. Yeah, and it's been pretty cheap as well, which is fantastic. So there we go, so booting up into Windows 7. Alright.